आप, मैं, हमारी फाइनलिस्ट और STV फेमिना मिस इंडिया की पूरी टीम जब सब तैयार हो चुके हो, then it's time for us to find out the first amongst equals. And to do that, we have our most interesting sub-contests coming up, which are going to prove to be the litmus test for our girls.
आज आप सब लोगों को एक अलग अवतार में देखेंगे. आज प्रयाग मिस नेशनल कॉस्ट्यूम है हमारा.
Hi everybody, we are going to be judging the Prayag Miss National costume.
We've got girls from various states of the country, and it'd be nice to see what they have in mind, what they've prepared. So let's see what happens.
I'm wearing the traditional theatrical form of Karnataka. It combines dance, music, dialogues and stage techniques.
I am a strong, bold, confident Indian woman, and that's what I am going to show through my outfit.
In my cape, I tried to represent some of the different religions and cultures of India.
My lehenga has 30 pleats, which represents the 29 states that we have. The jewelry that I'm wearing on my arms is a collection of jewelry right from the east to the west.
Everywhere I look around, it's just colors and India and वो देशभक्ति वाली feeling आ रही है मुझ में अभी.
Being a South Indian, I may wear a North Indian bridal lehenga like this instead of a white gown because I think India cannot be divided in terms of religion, caste and creed.
Everybody's gone to lengths to make something, and every costume has a story.
This is a handmade dress, so here I promote, support and salute the artisans of India, the karigars.
Overall, they've done brilliantly well. They all looked fabulous and they all had very, very smart up answers for the outfits as well as the feeling of being Indian.
It represents the prosperity of our country in the national flag. We need to prosper in order to develop, and that's why I've used a lot of green.
5 or 6 of them really stood out, not only because of the answers that they gave, but it was just the way they coordinated the entire thing. May the best girl win.
We just got done with our national costume round, तो अभी हम सब wait कर रहे हैं कि हम beautiful legs के लिए compete करेंगे.
I think the judges are going to look how toned your legs are and maybe the proportion of your calf muscles and your thighs.
Me being from the fitness industry, we'll really be looking to ensure that the legs that we choose are really well toned and with a great shape.
इतना अच्छा सब कॉन्टेस्ट था. यहाँ पे लोकेशन इज सो ब्यूटीफुल.
I would say most of the girls have been working out, which is very unlike what we have seen in the last few years. Any of the top 7, 8 could easily win the contest in terms of Miss Beautiful Legs.
The results will be announced on the sub-contest crowning ceremony. Thank you, ladies. Thanks.
We have just finished our Beautiful Legs contest and we're here to participate at Chisel Miss Active. So it's really now about testing ki actually hum kitna fit hain.
We are here to judge our next sub-contest, Chisel Miss Active. We have our lovely Satya Sinha from Chisel.
Hi girls. Hi.
And Manoj Shah from Prayurveda Max Energy. So all you girls are divided into 3 different groups. हर एक ग्रुप में 7 लड़कियां होगी. 7 लड़की साथ में स्प्रिंट कर ब्लू कॉर्न लेकर वापस आएगी.
इसमें हमारी स्पीड जज करेंगे कौन सबसे तेज भागता है. तो मैं किसी चीता से कम नहीं हूँ. मैं काफी फास्ट भागने वाली हूँ.
मेरा फोकस सिर्फ ब्लू कोन था. मैंने लेफ्ट राइट कुछ नहीं देखा एंड आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग सेंटर एंड आई वेंट फॉर इट. आई गॉट माय ब्लू कोन एंड आई केम फर्स्ट. आई एम सो हैप्पी अबाउट इट.
आई थिंक मैं स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा स्लो हो गई थी और मैंने कोशिश की थी लास्ट में बट नहीं हो पाया.
सारे ग्रुप में से 4 लड़कियां सेलेक्ट होगी एंड दे विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट राउंड, दैट इज frog leap. In frog leap, the best count will win. Burpees.
दिखने में तो बहुत आसान लगता है कि फ्रॉग की तरह लीप पे जंप कर दिया, but it is actually not that easy.
जंप करने के बाद जो बैलेंस मेंटेन करना है, दैट इज़ बिट टफ. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं उन 6 गर्ल्स में से हूँ और आगे के राउंड्स को कंटिन्यू करूँ, क्योंकि मुझे चीज़ें मिस एक्टिव का क्राउन जीतना है.
बर्पीज में आपको एग्जैक्टली 2 मिनट का टाइम दिया जाएगा और जो लड़की सबसे ज्यादा बर्पीज करेगी वो 6 में से 3 लड़कियां हमारे फाइनल चैलेंज के लिए जाएगी, जो है प्लैंक.
बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं जो बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं, इवन दो दे नॉट बीन एथलीट्स कभी भी. सो आई एम वेरी नर्वस बट वेरी एक्साइटेड. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस.
जो लड़की फाइनल चैलेंज में सबसे ज्यादा देर हिम्मत रख के प्लैंक करेगी वो हमारी विजेता होगी. शीज़ मिस एक्टिव.
They all were focused. They all were involved in the activities, and it was a tough fight. One girl who's gone through the entire activities and are very active, and now she's been chosen as a Chisel Miss Active.
Miss Active means so much to me. मुझे इतना अच्छा जिंदगी में कभी नहीं लगा है जितना आज लग रहा है.
I wish all of you great success, and we look forward to see you in the finale, and even we want to see you at the international level. Thank you very much.
All the best.
This is Kashi Vishwanath. I represent Centro. I'm here to judge the most important event, Centro Miss Ramp Walk contest.
Initially, my walk was a little stiff, to be honest, and then Alicia ma'am corrected us. So I'm working on the feedback, and hopefully I'll showcase it here and give it all my best.
Judges basically हमारी personality देखना चाहते हैं कि हमारी personality हमारे walk में कितना उभर के आती है.
Qualities of a best ramp walk has to be how graceful you are on the ramp, because it's not easy for a woman to walk with 6 inches heel.
ये एक ऐसा चीज़ है जो मैं पर्सनली करना बहुत पसंद करती हूँ. आई वो लव वॉकिंग द रैम्प.
क्योंकि मैंने एक बहुत ही फ्लेरी स्कर्ट पहनी है तो वो राइट एंड लेफ्ट स्विंग होनी चाहिए, इसका मैं ध्यान रख रही थी. बहुत ही मस्ती से वॉक कर रही थी.
The winner would be someone who's really confident, comfortable in their own skin, and giving their best shot today.
Most of them really know how to walk, and I think they're hardworking. They've worked a lot on their walk.
It's really difficult to judge when you have best among the country.
Getting through the pressure with the heels is a difficult job for them, and they have done a fantastic job.
तो अभी हमारा सब कॉन्टेस्ट होने जा रहा है ट्राई मिस परफेक्ट बॉडी.
ब्यूटी पैजेंट में किसी भी लड़की की बॉडी, उसका फिगर, उसका फेस, उसके एक्सप्रेशंस, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट.
Just to remind you, body proportions, skin tone, and how beautiful you look. So give it your all.
कंपटीशन भी बहुत है, सबके बॉडीज बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत टोन्ड है, तो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड.
I think Rajkanya has a really good body proportion, so she's one of the top contenders, and you know we all have to look out for her. The girls had good bodies, but it's about being toned and proportionate. Since I work out a lot, maybe I should win it.
पहली बार हमने पूल साइड पे ये सब कॉन्टेस्ट राउंड किया है और लड़कियों ने बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. बहुत ही मेहनत नज़र आ रही है, बहुत ही हार्डवर्क नज़र आ रहा है.
जजेस का रिएक्शन भी अच्छा था, वो सब लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा एनकरेज कर रहे थे.
One year back, I was a girl who was 17 kgs more than what I am right now. It's like an achievement for me कि मैं shortlist हुई.
Triumph Miss Beautiful Body was as awesome as it was in Kolkata, and I'm very confident that I should win it.
We were all very convinced at the end of it that yes, the person we have selected is the right person.
They showed dedication, they showed confidence, they convinced, and yet again we have another winner.
Being a part of this is like deja vu. It's like reliving moments from the pageant when I was here. And after a short break, I'm waiting to embrace a lot more fond memories. So do join me here at FBB Femina Miss India 2016.